Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So the government is planning to build a hospital in Portmore. As you know, Portmore is one of the most populated areas in Jamaica, and it's going to become the 15th parish of Jamaica. So they are putting in the infrastructure to support it becoming a parish. Now, according to the latest update from the government, the bill to make Portmore a parish has been drafted, and it's supposed to be sent to Parliament for them to approve it and Portmore to become a parish. But it was said it won't happen before the local government elections, which should be held in February, so it will be later in the year. So today we're going to give you an update on what they plan to do with the hospital. So groundbreaking on a 450 million Type 5 medical facility in Portmore is set to begin in July this year, as the government takes another step towards Portmore becoming a parish. This means the facility is de facto a hospital, but will eventually be upgraded to a full-fledged hospital, which is necessary for the area because it is essential infrastructure. So I guess Type 5, these medical facilities have ratings. So Type 5 would not be like the Spanish Town Hospital. It will, over time they'll upgrade it, but at least it's a start. And they're going to build this over in Greater Portmore. But I'm not sure if it was closed, but the Greater Portmore area has a medical facility there already. Not a hospital, probably like a clinic. So is it that they are going to upgrade that one, or they're going to build a new one? If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. We have set some standards for what a region needs to be considered a parish. A region must have at least a hospital, at least a fire department, at least a police department. So we need a hospital in Portmore. Now the government is also upgrading the Spanish Town Hospital, and they are literally building a new hospital, and that is going to cost $5.5 billion. And we had actually done a video about the resilience park that they're building in Portmore that costs $4.4 billion. So we had asked, would it have been better to build a hospital, because they're upgrading the Spanish Town Hospital for $5.5 billion, and they're going to build a park in Portmore for $4.4 billion. Now, we're not knocking the park. The park is good, it's great, but a hospital is a hospital. You think you would build a hospital and then the park afterwards. It's not like they don't have access to a hospital, because there's a Spanish Town Hospital. And then, so a few persons have commented that Portmore, they're building a hospital in Portmore. But what they're building is not a hospital like what you have in Spanish Town. They're building a Type 5 facility, which is still good, but it's not a hospital like what you have in Spanish Town. So at a town hall meeting, the Prime Minister said the government was investing heavily in refurbishing the Spanish Town Hospital to provide local high quality services. But they were also going to build a Type 5 facility in Portmore, because Portmore should have their own hospital. And they said they're going to start with a Type 5 facility, but that's going to be the core, and eventually a full-fledged hospital will be built over time. And it was said that the facility will be built in the Greater Portmore area and include medical services such as dental care, telemedicine, an operating room, maternity services, and a mental health clinic. And they have already issued a bid for the construction of this facility. Offers have been received and are currently being processed. Well guys, why not just use China Harbour Engineering Company to build a I don't know who the contractor is for the Spanish Town Hospital, but I am just going to guess it's China Harbour Engineering Company or a foreign contractor. When it comes on to these kind of projects that are time sensitive, and I think they need to go with the more experienced contractors to get the job done. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So let us know what you think about the Type 5 facility they're building in Portmore. Let us know what you think about if they should have built a hospital first and then the resilience park after. And let us know who you think should be the contractor for the hospital. Leave your comments for the Type 5 facility in Portmore. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.